Yeah. I want a house in the hills I pay big bills for. I ain't got in pocket. I wanna empty out my wallet. I wanna stop motion, stand still. Wallace and Gromit. I wanna talk more endlessly. I wanna neurotically vomit. I want more dollars from my mama. I want a palace in Prada. I want a Gucci bag where I can store my sorrows and hardships. I wanna gold plate my partners. I want endless tomorrows. I want a lot more than I got right now. But that's the problem. You could give me every little thing I'd ever want, but I'd never have enough till the day I had it all. Yeah, you can give me every little thing I ever want, but I'd never have enough till the day I had it all.
Oh, I see what you want, baby, but it might be just a little more than I can give you.
Second thought, I want $1 for everyone. Not just for my mama. I wanna hit the ball out on random pedestrians. I want my questions to be answered till my brain bored and questionless. I want more self-assurance. I don't ever want to second guess. I want someone to shut the fuck up. Lest he trying to tell me yes again. I want so many best friends that I can't tell what friendship is. I want the diamonds, gold, and glitter. I want fast cars I'll never whip. I want it all till I'm empty in my castle of everything.
Oh, I see what you want, baby, but it might be just a little more than I can give you.
I want a cushy job that pay big bills and cheap thrills. Wanna mob out with my homies like Timmy, Tommy, and Dill. I'm not trying to be famous, okay, maybe a lil. Since I'm a rapper, I should buy me some grills and gold frills that I can sleep on while I contemplate pills and peep on, hold still. Might sedate you, just a fire at will. I got an appetite for hardship, big fish meets krill. Don't sleep, don't spill, I ain't got my fill. I want the beauty queen to make me show my pearly whites. The type of movie scene that make you count your blessings twice. It's not the only thing that's on my list, I checked it twice and sent it off to Santa's elves like I've been playing nice.
I see what you want. Oh, I see what you want. Oh, I see what you want, but it might be a
little more than I
give you.
Is that where it cuts?
Talk to me, brother, I need to hear your voice. Your mind is the mountain, mine is the mountain. Talk to me, brother, I need to hear your voice. Your mind is the mountain, mine is the mountain. So climb, climb out. Oh, climb, climb.
Windows cut out. Interior sheeting is up. Door cut out. That'll tighten up once I staple it all in. Getting there. Starting to put the insulation in, just cutting all the little bits and pieces for the sides. Drilled all the holes and ran the wires for the 2 lights, the fan, I guess the fan light combo. So I'm gonna keep patching this in there, and then gonna finally start cleaning up the galley area and sheet that as well.
Angels smoking cigarettes on rooftops in fishnets in the morning with the moon still glowing. And here comes Jesus in an Astro van rolling down the strip again. He's stoned while Jerry plays. He said life ain't ever what it seems. These dreams are more than paper things. And it's alright, mama, you're afraid I'll be poor along the way, but I don't wanna see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astro van. Yes, he does. I said, and in my heart there's a Holy Ghost writhing on the floor from an overdose.
Alright, so out of the garage again, fully sheeted, exterior and interior, besides the galley. You can see I got a router off the edges of the roof there, but gotta add some trim to it yet. Yeah, looking good so far. About ready to prep for fiberglass. This is kind of the shape of it there in the hole. So a little update. Put the first layer of fiberglass and epoxy on. Left the corners bare so I can sand down the epoxy and then wrap the corners so they're extra strong, but turned out pretty good. Pretty solid, so it's gonna add a lot of strength. And I'm starting to get the galley hatch set up. Got my support beam in, and then got it sheeted, going with the second raised edge, and I'll go into more detail about that later, but it's so it'll sit smooth with the seal over there. Yeah. Almost fell over.
You know the best ones never come down. So if I love at the tip of my toes, reaching out for the great unknown, every addict has illusions. Life ain't ever what it seems. These dreams are more than paper things. And it's alright, mama, you're afraid I'll be poor along the way.
Got the first round of sanding done after getting the whole thing fiberglassed. I'll give it one more round of resin and then it'll be ready to paint. I got my door framed, insulated, sheeted, and I got the galley sheeted at least, so getting there.
But I don't want to see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astro van. Yes, he does. later. You say, ooh. It's true. Yeah. When I see those angels on the roof, I'll know I've made it. When my doobie smoking Jesus puts my name upon his guest list, says, son, you're famous in heaven. Maybe you're famous in heaven. And maybe there is no heaven. And maybe we're all alone together now. And I don't want to see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astro van. And I don't want to see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astro van.
I think you think that's what's on my mind. I don't think that that's what's on my mind. I think you think I was lying. I don't think so, but if you think so, I'm lying. Once we dig in, I can't begin to remember what I meant to tell you. Yeah, Mexico, thank you for joys. Sometimes I just can't believe the things they ask a man to do. Like putting up with the tomcats screaming out my